Inside the secret sky garage, Alex and Sam were getting their shiny flying car ready for a brand new adventure, when suddenly the giant adventure portal started glowing bright rainbow colors. Beep, beep, beep. Suddenly, the giant sensor screen lit up with glowing symbols for sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch as the garage filled with flashing lights and adventure alarms. A magical portal swirled open in front of Alex and Sam, revealing the amazing giant sensory world filled with giant eyes, floating ears, candy lands, glowing flowers, and magical touch mountains. Excited for another adventure, Alex and Sam jumped into their shiny flying car and zoomed straight through the glowing portal into giant sensory world. Alex and Sam carefully landed their flying car inside giant sensory world, where giant eyes, musical ears, candy rivers, glowing flowers, and magical touch pots stretched across the colorful land. As Alex and Sam explored the colorful sensory world, a tiny glowing fairy named Spark fluttered down from the sky and said, "Welcome, explorers. Sensory world needs your help." Spark pointed toward the dark clouds spreading across sensory world and explained sadly, "The magic powers of sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch are disappearing, and if we don't restore them, soon every adventure world will lose its color and magic forever." Spark led Alex and Sam to Giant Eye Mountain, where the magical power of sight was hidden inside a giant glowing eye watching over sensory world. As they crossed Color Vision Bridge, Alex and Sam used the magical power of sight to match bright glowing colors and unlock the path to the next sensory land. In the middle of musical Ear Valley, Alex and Sam followed magical sounds like ding, clap, drum, and chimes to solve the giant sound puzzle and open the next adventure path. Next, Alex and Sam entered Smell Forest, where giant flowers, fruity trees, and magical glowing plants filled the air with sweet and silly smells from all across sensory world. In Mystery Scent Garden, Alex and Sam followed magical scent trails of strawberries, lemons, roses, and chocolate to unlock the hidden glowing gate to the next adventure. After opening the glowing gate, Alex and Sam arrived at Candy Taste Kingdom, where giant cupcakes, candy rivers, chocolate waterfalls, and magical fruit treats covered the sweet and colorful land. In the middle of Candy Taste Kingdom, Alex and Sam tasted sweet strawberries, sour lemons, yummy chocolate, and fruity candy treats to activate the magical flavor crystals and unlock the next adventure path. After completing the sweet and sour challenge, Alex and Sam arrived at Touch Mountain, where magical paths were covered with soft clouds, fuzzy plants, smooth stones, squishy slime, and bumpy bridges that changed every time they touched them. Inside Texture Tunnel, Alex and Sam crawled through glowing soft clouds, slippery slides, fuzzy walls, bouncy jelly floors, and rough rocky tunnels to unlock the magical touch crystal. When Alex and Sam reached the end of Texture Tunnel, the magical touch crystal began to glow brightly. Warm waves of magic spread across sensory world, bringing back every soft, smooth, fuzzy, bouncy, and squishy texture once again. With the powers of sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch fully restored, sensory world became brighter, louder, sweeter, softer, and more magical than ever before as the happy villagers celebrated Alex and Sam's amazing adventure. As the magical portal opened once again, Alex and Sam jumped into their flying car and waved goodbye to sensory world. With the 5 senses restored and new adventures waiting beyond the stars, the boys zoomed through the glowing portal toward their next amazing adventure world.